Hello everyone, here to do a product video today to show you how you can use Synergi products to do a Flexi set on natural hair. First we're going to rinse the hair down really well, then we're going to go over the hair with the Synergi Recover Shampoo, which is a gentle cleanser that removes dirt and residue from the hair using herbal extracts to moisturize the hair. We're going to make sure we use that about 2 to 3 times from the hair to make sure we get that good in there and get the residue and build up out of the hair. Once we do that, we're going to go over the hair with the Synergi Renew Shampoo, which is a sulfate-free shampoo. It has botanicals that will build and strengthen the hair. It leaves it very soft and manageable while also moisturizing the scalp. And we'll go over it with the Synergi Renew Shampoo, which penetrates deep into the cuticle to condition and detangle the hair, and it also softens and makes the hair manageable. Once we put the conditioner on there, I like to wrap the hair with a nice hot steaming towel for a little bit to let that penetrate. Then we'll go over it with the Synergi Restore Spray, which is a detangling spray that strengthens and adds elasticity to the hair and prepares the hair for styling. Then we'll go over the hair with the Synergi Grooming Glaze, which is a conditioning glaze that smooths and softens the hair.